like it's giving what it was supposed to give. So curls are super defined on this unit, very, very defined. This is the finished look of this unit right here. So this unit, guys, was sent to me from Unice Hair Company. It's another one of their fun curly highlighted blondes. So this one is listed as the honey blonde unit, guys. It is a kinky curly texture, and this is 24 inches long, 150% density. So as far as the length, you guys know when it comes to a kinky curly unit like this, it's obviously going to have some shrinkage, but the hair is very, very nice. When I wore it, you guys kind of saw what the length looked like. Now in today's video, I just did a basic styling, basic install, guys. Didn't do anything, you know, extra. The lace on this unit is always impeccable AF, guys, so there's not really that much work to do with it. Now with this one, I did go ahead and tweeze a little bit of the unit on a camera for you guys to see. I really wanted to open up the sides on this unit, guys, because I wanted it to look as realistic as possible. But before I show you guys the sides, can we just say that we love this color so much? I absolutely love this type of mix. In the beginning when I installed it, I was a little worried about it just because I'm like, it's a little bit bright, but the base color on this unit, as you guys can tell, is kind of like a chocolate brown color. Even from the roots right here, you guys will see that is a chocolate brown base, and then you get the highlights. Now I did go ahead and do like baby hair magic, because you know I gotta flex a little bit baby hair with this one, especially because it's so pretty. Love the kinky curls and how the hairline just looks very realistic, as you guys can tell. So I was really trying to, in the beginning I wasn't gonna do baby hairs. I wanted it to be like a clean pull back, just real edgy and curls, but then I was like, you know, baby hairs with this kinky curl would look really pretty, so I did do the baby hairs. But you guys can see the hair is absolutely stunning, guys. Now you guys know I wet the hair and I use my Cantu leave-in conditioner. Now with this one, in the beginning when it's first showed it to you guys, when I take the band off, it was still a little bit wet, so what I did was just let it air dry for the last 2 hours, because I want to come to you guys with it in its full capacity once it's fully dry. You guys can see that the curls are super defined on this unit, very defined, and it just gives the hair more character instead of just being kind of like boring. I know sometimes you guys don't like to wet and put product in it, but sometimes with this type of kinky curl texture, just to make sure that the curls are defined, like defined curls like this, I recommend putting the product in it and letting it air dry. The unit is actually dry pretty much all the way through. It's not a big density. 150% density on kinky curly is the perfect density. I would never get it anything higher than 150, just because the hair is already dense, as you guys can see, and this hair is very full as you guys can tell. I really like this one. It came in a middle part style, so I left it in the middle part style, but you can go ahead and do this one in the side part if you guys want. But I thought the middle part just looked really fun and cute for like the spring and summertime. Even though we're still in the winter, it's just January. Pump my brakes real quick. But if you're someone like me who's going on these tropical vacations, it'll be nice to have a unit like this just to give some fun and brightness on your trip. I am going away soon, so you guys probably will see this unit on my next tropical trip just because I love the color. I love how the curls are very defined and how it just looks like a really natural style unit. You guys don't have to glue this one down. With me, I'm always extra because I like to do a bomb install. So I did use my Eben Wonder Lace glue to install this one, and I also used a spray just to coat it. As far as the baby hair goes, I mean, like, I didn't really like style them. I literally just curled them with the curling iron, sprayed it down with the Even Wonder Lace and cover, and it just did its little waves by itself. That's usually how I do it with curly hair. I don't want it to be too perfect, like straight hair. The baby hair shouldn't be that perfect, but whatever. I feel like it's giving what it was supposed to give. So it's definitely a really, really nice unit, guys. I think what I'm going to do with this one is probably take the front pieces right here. Ew, oh my god, it looks so cute like this too. So take the front pieces right here and just add light layers into it in the front, just so that it kind of, you know, brings in my cheekbone area and stuff like that, just so that it's not all one length. So most of the times you guys will see, I'll always cut layers in the front area right here just to kind of define my face, so it just doesn't look like it's all one layer. But with this one, you really don't have to. But if you want to be extra and have like a little bit of a style and kind of like a shape, I definitely recommend just trimming it a little bit just to frame your face, so you got like that. You feel me. You just feel me. You feel me on this one. So guys, I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you guys are interested in purchasing this lovely, lovely unit from Unice Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.